From this website videocopilot.net, you can download this plugin FX Console, which is totally 100% free. Here you can see. With the help of this plugin, you can search any kind of effects within After Effects. After downloading this plugin, just right click and run as administrator. Before installing this plugin, please close all other applications. Then click agree and install. Now it has been installed. So how to use this FX plugin inside After Effects? It's very easy. First select the layer and press Ctrl spacebar and search for effects. Here you can search for effects, presets. It's very easy. I want to search deep glow. Just select the effect and press enter. So it will automatically apply on your selected layers. And again, you can also take a screenshot, and you don't need to select any kind of layer. Just press Ctrl spacebar. And here is the option export. You can save screenshot as PNG or JPG. For example, I want to save it over here. Here I have already saved some screenshot, and here you can see, and name it and save it. And here I will show you, and here you can see. So one thing more I want to show you over here. Press Ctrl spacebar, and here is the option settings. You can also make some favorites, presets, effects. For example, I want to apply curves or tint. Here you can see tint. So I want to make it favorites. Right click and add to favorites. In the next time, so if I press T, the tint will show up here at the top. So it's more easy. And let's go to settings, and here you can see this tint option. So in this way you can make some more favorites options. And here are some more settings. You can make it light or you can make it dark. And here is the shortcut, and the default shortcut is Ctrl spacebar. You can set the custom shortcut for it. The important thing over here, I want to show you a full resolution screenshot. Check it. In this way you can get the screenshot with the full resolution. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, and here are some more plugins that I have already made videos on it. How to use flow plugins, and here are some more plugins. Mobar extension. This is a Mobar extension. I have already made a video on it. How to use this Mobar extension. It has 130 tools. You can use this Mobar extension to work fast. If you want to know how to use these tools, how to download this Mobar extension, please check out this video in the description below. Here is one more tool, which is motion tool. I have already made videos on it, how to use motion tool and how to customize it. And also check out this last video, which will be helpful for you. So okay, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.